Hi again, we're by the hydrangea now. I'm about to do a mound. I'll put some soil around the hydrangea. I've spoken about this method of propagation in other videos of mine, but if you haven't seen them, the basic idea is to create a mound with soil or wood chips, some sort of material, and just put it here, preferably before the plant leaves out. I am going to do it now. I'll just be careful with the leaves. But yeah, this works with gooseberries, although I heard that they prefer tip layering, but it should work by mounding as well. But yeah, it works with gooseberries, currants, honeyberries, like I've done it in my videos. So I'm gonna do it for the hydrangea now, and as you can see, we have lots of stems here, and if they could all root, that would be amazing. I could cut them and pot them and have at least 10 plants, 10 individual plants to put in other parts of the garden. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you today. This is the material I'm gonna put. In other videos I've used more wood chips, but for this one I just want to put a lot of soil around the roots, around the stems, create a big mound. So yeah, this is quite loose soil. This is how it looks before I'll put the soil. And I'll show you how it looks after now. I'm going to bring another bucket. I've done it. I think it's enough soil for now. As you can see, the top is slightly flat, just so when it rains, if it was like a tip, the soil would erode much faster. But if it's flat, hopefully the water will soak in and just go to the roots and keep the soil more or less in place. But yeah, as you can see, all the shoots are covered at the base, and these should form good roots, and I'll be able to take cuttings and propagate the plants in a couple of months. That rhymed a bit. I'm gonna do the same with the Big Ben currant. Got 2 plants at the back. I'll do in a few moments. So yeah, that's the whole idea about mound layering. I hope it helps someone to create more beauty in a garden and into this world. Let's go to the black currant now. We're at the black currant Big Ben now. We've got 2 of them, one bigger than the other one. So as you can see, there's barely any soil on top. I mean, there's underneath obviously, but yeah, I just want to put more to help these root out some more. Leafing out beautifully. Okay, let's do this. This is it for the Big Ben black currants. This is much more visible now, the little currant that was stepped over by a tractor when we moved these in from our neighbor's farm when the large beech fell. Beautiful daffodils in the background. From what I've been researching, this method of mounding, propagation by mounding, works for hazelnut trees as well. Same basic principle, cutting the tree down and mounding the base with soil or some sort of good material to root in. But more on that in future videos when I'll have actual hazelnut trees to show you on, or you can look up online. I'm sure you'll find some videos about that. But yeah, once you learn about this method, as have I think it becomes quite addictive. It's like once you know you can exponentially expand your food forest, it's just like magic. So beautiful. We'll see how these plants develop in the next couple of months, and I'll keep on posting videos here. I hope you enjoy watching them, and I hope you find something useful for yourself to use, to apply in your life. Thank you for watching. These are the honeyberries I mound layered a couple of days ago. 6 bushes, all different varieties. Some of them are leashing out earlier than the other ones. I love the foliage on the honeyberries, so pretty. I mean, so many plants, all the plants have such awesome foliage. Not all the plants, because I can't say that about all of them, because I haven't seen all the plants in the world. But yeah, they all have something cool, I think. And here we have the patch with oak seeds I've planted earlier and made a video about it. I haven't posted it yet. Anyway, this is it. This is what I wanted to show you for today about the hydrangea and the Big Ben. Take care. Look at the beautiful saffron and the daffodils. Oh. Okay, have a lovely afternoon. Take care.